Multiple overdose incidents involving a white or brown powder were reported this weekend in South Nashville. News Channel 5's Olivia Michael spoke with a local expert who says sadly the reports don't come as a surprise.
At least 3 people died after an overdose spike was reported in Nashville. It comes as drug-related overdoses, especially from fentanyl, have increased 85% in Tennessee since the pandemic.
A lot of people are buying illicit drugs on the street and they don't know what's in them. And sometimes you get bad batches throughout different areas that can cause several overdoses in one area.
Metro Health Department activated its text alert program after this weekend's spike.
It can be a very useful tool in your community, especially if you misuse drugs or you know someone who misuses drugs, can let you know that there is a danger in your area of overdose spikes.
Brian Sullivan with the Prevention Alliance of Tennessee says as Nashville becomes a growing hub for traffic, access to drugs may increase.
You have a lot of interstates that intersect in the city of Nashville and in Memphis as well for the state of Tennessee. So there's lots of potential for drugs to come through.
That's why the organization is working to expand its reach. Just recently, it received $500,000 from the state to form 9 new coalitions in rural counties.
So we're roughly covering approximately 75% of the state.
But he's worried the trend of overdoses will continue beyond the pandemic.
And a recent report that was released in the Lancet says that if something significant is not done by the year 2029, they expect 1.2 million additional overdose deaths in North America.
Until then, Sullivan says advocates will continue their work so spikes like this weekend's don't happen again. In Nashville, Olivia Michael, News Channel 5.
If you or someone you know is in need of treatment, you can call or text the Tennessee Red Line 24/7 at 1-800-889-9789.